Good morning and happy Thursday, or thank you Thursday. As usual, here are some workout videos to kind of get you started before you start learning. Go ahead and do these before you move on. Also remember that you can pause this video at any time and always come back to it. Today is going to be a little bit longer, so there's probably going to be multiple videos, probably around 3. So, but we'll see how it goes. So, some thank yous that I have are thank you to Ezekiel for asking great questions on Google Hangouts. I have linked in our stream, how to get to your readings if you're having any trouble getting to benchmark. Once again, as you're going through those steps, please feel free to pause whenever you need to, so that way you know how to get to where we're supposed to be. Also want to thank Lizbeth, Isabella, Josiah, Ella Grace, and Yvonne. I've heard from all of you, and I'm glad that you guys are working on the assignments, so keep up the good work. So there you go. Morning meeting. Yay, it's Thursday. So I'm sure you guys heard that we have shelter in place or shelter in home. So that means that you can still go outside and enjoy some fresh air, get some exercise, try to limit places that you visit, and only really try and go out for important things that you might need. If you have any questions about that and what that means, yeah, feel free to ask. Always happy to answer your guys' questions. All right, so today I will be able to apply the order of operations to solve math equations. Wow. So the order of operations is really, really, really cool and very, very, very helpful when we're talking about multi-step problems. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then you guys are going to be able to apply that concept to solve some problems. So here's what you should be doing. You should be solving along with me on a piece of paper. I'm going to do these ones for you and show you what I expect on your guys' assignments. Okay, so here's the first one. 5 times 1 minus 5. So I'm going to show you guys on my hover cam what I would expect you guys to do. 5 times 1 minus 5. So I know that I need to do parentheses first. 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so when I'm going into the assignment and I need to write what I did, I put number 1, because this is the answer for number 1. I'm going to put 5 times 1 equals 5, comma, 5 minus 5 equals 0. And that's it. So now I'm going to go to number 2. I'm going to erase my slate. And the problem was 8 plus 2 times 2. 8 plus 2 times 2. Okay, so I know once again that when I have parentheses, I'm doing what's in the parentheses first. 2 times 2, 2 groups of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That would be 4. Now I got to do 8 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So then I go back to my slide for number 2. I go 2 times 2 equals 4, comma, 4 plus 8 equals 12. Done with that one. Moving on to number 3. 6 plus 4 times 2 Okay. 6 plus 4 times 2. I know that my 6 plus 4 is in the parentheses. I always do the parentheses first. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 times 2. 2 groups of 10. That would be 10 plus 10. And that equals 20. So 2 groups of 10 equal 20. And then I go back to this and go 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. So there you have it. That is what I would expect to find on your guys' slide. This is what you guys are going to be doing. You will be doing these 3 problems. 5 times 3 plus 15. 40 minus 5 times 2. 100 plus 10 times 10. So I want all of your answers over here in this box and how you did it, okay? So I would like you to pause the video and go ahead and solve these, since these are your math warm-ups, and it's good for your brain to get started and understanding what kind of processes we're doing. So please pause now before you move on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, welcome back. So now I have another assignment for you that you guys are going to be working on. So Tildy and Harrison visit the dollar store. Tildy figures out how much she needs to buy by writing 1 plus 4 times 2 equals 10. Tildy says that she needs $10. She asks Harrison to check her work, and he says she only needs $9. Insert parentheses in the problems to show how Tildy got 10 and how Harrison got 9. So when you guys are doing your assignment, I want you guys to double click on this box because this is where your answer is going to go. And the parentheses are actually up on your keyboard. I will actually show you on the HoverCam. So when you're looking at your keyboard, you'll have to do Shift to get to the parentheses. Wow. Here, let me fix this. Actually, let's make this a little bit easier and better for you. Aha. So for me, the parentheses are above the 9 and the 0. You guys should have that as similar. In order to create parentheses, you would click Shift and then click the 9. Okay. Click Shift first, then click the 9. Let me see if I could split screen this. It's only letting me make it only a little bit bigger. Oh well. So let me go here. Now when I type it in, I could do parentheses 1 plus 4, but I'm not sure if that's where the parentheses go. You'll have to just tell me. So after you're done with this slide, you don't need to, you continue on. So, and this is where things get a little bit more fun. So you guys are going to learn a little bit on how to draw on your Google Slides. So Tildy and Harrison could not agree about the correct amount. Tildy says, I want to buy 1 package of paper for $1 and 4 fashion pens for $2 each. Draw a picture to show what is happening in this problem. So she wants to buy 1 package of paper. Now I could draw on here by inserting. Now I could insert shapes. I could do lines. I think a shape to show 1 package of paper. I could choose any of these shapes, but I'm just going to choose a square because that's easy. Here's my 1 package of paper. All right. And then 4 fashion pens for $2 each. So for fashion pens, maybe I would do lines. So here's some quick links. You can click a line. Here's the shapes. Here's some other pictures. So here I want 4 fashion pens. 1, 2, whoops, move the whole thing. Now I can continue to draw more lines. 1, 2, draw another line. 3, draw another line. 4. Now I've got 4 fashion pens for $2 each and 1 package of paper for $1 each. So this is just an example of how you could draw those options using the tools that are here in these boxes. Okay, so something new for you guys to try. And then I'm gonna undo all this. So, and the button that I'm clicking right here is the undo button. If you ever make a mistake or you don't like what you've put in your responses, you could click the undo. And that's usually what I click when you guys have accidentally deleted any boxes. For instance, let's say I wanted to type in here and I go backspace. Oh no, it's gone. I could go up here to the undo button and click it and it comes right back up. Okay, so after you're done with the warm-up slide, go ahead and try these slides and show me how Tildy got 10, how Harrison got 9. You're going to draw me a picture to show what's happening in this problem. And then explain why Tildy changes her mind and now agrees with Harrison. Why would she change her mind and now agree? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and solve all of these slides. Okay. Come back in 5, 4, 3. Actually, I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to start another one. All right.